National news. Number 1. NDB approves $1 billion emergency assistance program loan to India. Emergency assistance program loan of $1 billion has been approved by the New Development Bank, NDB, to India. The emergency assistance program loan aims to support the Government of India in its attempt to curb the spread of COVID-19 as well as to minimize the human, social and economic losses caused by the COVID-19 outbreak. This is NDB's second emergency assistance program in order to help its member countries to fight COVID-19. Important points. President of New Development Bank, K.V. Kamath. New Development Bank was established by Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa to mobilize resources for infrastructure and sustainable development projects in BRICS. Number 2. Indian Railways makes Arogya Setu app mandatory for passengers. The Indian Railways has made the Arogya Setu app mandatory for the passengers to travel by train. According to the announcement made by the Indian Railways, it has become mandatory for passengers to download Arogya Setu application in their mobile phones before starting their journey. Important points. Union Minister of Railways, Piyush Goyal. Minister of State of Railways, Angadi Suresh Channabasappa. Number 3. US commits $3.6 million to assist Government of India. An assistance of $3.6 million to India has been committed by the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. The amount aims to enhance India's response to the COVID-19 epidemic. It will also lead to prevention, preparedness, and response activities in India. It will also help India in its effort to increase the laboratory capacity for SARS virus testing. Number 4. Italy develops I Feel You bracelet for social distancing. The Genoa-based Italian Institute of Technology, IIT, has developed I Feel You bracelet for social distancing. This bracelet will help users respect social distancing rules. The bracelet has been developed as the measures for safeguarding against the coronavirus lockdown is being gradually lifted. Important points. Capital of Italy, Rome. The currency of Italy, Italian lira. Number 5. Uttarakhand CM launches Hope Portal to help unemployed youth. Uttarakhand Chief Minister has launched Hope, helping out people everywhere, portal to help unemployed youth to get jobs opportunities. The portal will be used to collect the data on the youths of the state who are staying in as well as the recently returned migrant youths. Important points. Uttarakhand state was formed 9th of November 2000. Capital, Dehradun. Chief Minister, Trivendra Singh Rawat. Governor, Baby Rani Maurya. Number 6. Indian boxer Akhil Kumar re-inducted into NADA disciplinary panel. Former Commonwealth gold medalist Indian boxer Akhil Kumar was re-inducted into the disciplinary panel of National Anti-Doping Agencies, NADA. He was formerly served in the panel from 2017 to 2019. Important points. Motto, Play Fair. Headquarters, New Delhi. Director General, Naveen Agarwal. Number 7. V. Vidyavati becomes new DG of Archaeological Survey of India. IAS officer V. Vidyavati is appointed as the new Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, effective from 12th of May 2020. She is a 1991 batch Karnataka cadre officer. Important points. Archaeological Survey of India founder, Alexander Cunningham. Founded, 1861. Headquarters, New Delhi. Number 8. Bangalore Airport wins Skytrax Award for Best Regional Airport. The Kempegowda International Airport has won the Skytrax Award 2020. The airport was chosen as the best regional airport in India and Central Asia by the customers at the 2020 World Airport Awards. Changi Airport, Singapore was voted the world's best airport for 8th consecutive year, while Tokyo Haneda Airport was voted the world's cleanest airport, and Parasolhi Airport was voted the world's most improved airport at the 2020 World Airport Awards. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai was voted as Best Airport Staff in India and Central Asia. Number 9. India ranks 74th on WEF Global Energy Transition Index. India has been ranked at 74th position on the Global Energy Transition Index by the World Economic Forum, WEF. Important points. The founder and chairman of WEF, Klaus Schwab. Headquarters, Geneva, Switzerland. Number 10. Grammy-winning singer Betty Wright passes away. The Grammy-winning soul singer, Betty Wright passed away. Her real name is Bessie Regina Norris. She received her first Grammy Award for the Best Song, Where Is the Love? At the age of 23. Number 11. ICCR launches song United We Fight to fight COVID-19. A musical creation titled United We Fight has been unveiled by the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, ICCR. It brings together composers, musicians and singers from across India to send a message of hope, joy, resilience, fighting spirit and never say die attitude of all in our collective fight against COVID-19.